let's talk about one of the easiest ways to make passive income through the app called Upside. Now, some of you know that this app used to be called Get Upside. It's an app where you get cash back on gas, groceries, restaurants, that kind of stuff. It was heavily advertised on the radio for a while, but the way you can make passive income through it and how it has been one of the best apps that I've had. Out of all the different ways that I've tried to make money, this one constantly brings in money almost on a daily basis for me. The way it works is the referral. So if you refer somebody and then they buy a gallon of gas, you get 1 penny for every gallon of gas that they get. Now, that might not seem like a ton of money, but it adds up over time the more people you refer. I've had it for a couple of years and I've made somewhere a little bit over $1,000 just through referrals. So if you are looking for passive income, so you just have to find people to refer to the Upside app, and then once they get gas, you'll get 1 penny back for every gallon that they buy. So definitely, once you sign up, refer this to everyone that has gas guzzlers or buys a ton of gas or travels a lot. It really adds up over time. And it's also beneficial to you because you get up to 25 cents a gallon cash back on all the gas that you buy. Restaurants like Domino's, some McDonald's restaurants, places like that, you'll get cash back, a certain percentage back. Gas stations, both with the gas, you'll get like 10 cents off a gallon or whatever that gas station's offering, but you could also make money on buying the stuff inside of the store. Ultimately, on your journey to build wealth, you want to have as many possible income streams as you can. I want to say I have somewhere around like 15 different income streams, which I'll discuss in later videos, going into deep detail on all of those. But Get Upside, or Upside as it's called now, is one of those sources of income that I have. I get notifications daily. Oh, so-and-so bought some gas. You got 10 cents here, 15 cents here, 20 cents here. On a daily basis, and it really adds up over time. You really should try it out, research the website. You not only get cash back through referring people, but also through the app itself. It's totally free. It's been around for a while. There's no security risk with having it on your phone. It is a great app to have. I've had it for years. It has worked out well for me, for both referring people as well as just being able to get cash back when I want to go to Domino's or McDonald's, or if I need to go inside a gas station and buy a soda, I can just go in there and get cash back on that and then get 10, 15 cents off a gallon. And another bonus is whenever you refer somebody, you get a one-time extra 15 cents off a gallon cash back on top of whatever the store is offering you. So not only do you make money forever as long as that person still uses the app and buys gas, but you will also get that extra 15 cents off the next fill up that you have. So a lot of people, if you look on YouTube, there's a lot of reviews on the Upside app, and it talks about how it's great for getting cash back on gas, but there's hardly anyone talking about being able to refer people and making money through referrals. And this channel is dedicated to building wealth and making money. So I just had to talk about this because it's something that I do and I want to share it with all of you. It works out great through a referral system. Even if you don't refer people, it's still a good app to have. So I will throw a link in the description. If you want to sign up using it, I would be super grateful. If not, you still should sign up for it. Do some research. You can make cash back when you're getting gas, or if you have a bunch of people that you can refer, or even just one person that you can refer. You'll make money for as long as that person uses that app. So I've had people that I referred years ago who I still make money from today. So it's definitely worth checking out. It's a great way to start a small extra income stream that will bring in money to where you can dump it into investing or stocks or savings or whatever it is you want to do with the extra money that comes in. So check it out. Link in the description. It's great for referring people as well as just getting regular cash back on gas and grocery stores. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.